Some people uh, online, we're all ascending, we're also descending in that sense. Uh, we're recapturing our roots. The sound, the frequencies, the original. Let it flow. I'm just tapping the gong. Una tia, una sina. Be at peace. Can you hear it? Do you feel it? We're amplifying the energies, bringing in the new earth without the bullshit. Male bovine excrement. Thank you, dear. They said, don't talk, use foul language. Male bovine excrement is a good way to put this. I'm not creating that sound, it's flowing through just by amazing. Concentric circles. Una yeah. Energetic alchemist, but evolutionary alchemist, huh? Here we are.